Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki.
We're partnering with the Home Depot and Scott's to show you how we're going to become our neighborhood lawn pioneers.
And we're going to do that with 2 bags and 2 applications, which will help kill weeds, prevent and kill fire ants, and keep the lawn green and strong all season long.
So I'm going to have to admit, we do a lot of DIYs indoors, but I actually neglect my lawn.
Me too.
I mean, we mow our lawns, but we don't really, there's just so many products out there that we don't really know how to really take care of it. So when I heard that there was 2 bags I could use that would solve all my issues, which is weeds, fire ants, and keeping it green, I was really excited. So Mom, you ready?
I'm ready to go.
Let's do this.
The first step is planning, and Scott's made it easy with their My Lawn app. By putting in your address, you can find out how big your yard is, and Steph's is just under 400 square feet. So these 2 bags are plenty, and maybe even for the neighbor next door, the one across the street, maybe even the whole neighborhood.
Next, we headed to Home Depot and picked up a bag of the Scott's Triple Action South and the Scott's Ultra Feed. We also picked up the Scott's Turf Builder Edge Guard Mini Broadcast Spreader and a hand spreader for smaller spaces. Be sure to follow all the instructions on the back of the bag, and on Scott's website they have even more detailed information.
And the last part of the planning is to know exactly when to put on the product. Now, we picked up the Triple Action for South because we are here in Florida. If you're in the north, your bag will be a little bit different and your instructions will be a little bit different. The lawn needs to be dry and mowed 3 times prior to applying the product. Once the product has been applied, be sure to water in, but not to the point of runoff. The best time of the year to apply Triple Action South is when the grass and weeds are actively growing in the early spring. You will want to wait until the grass is no longer dormant. Here in Florida, due to the warming weather, the grass is greening and the weeds are growing like crazy. On the back of the bag, it will show the setting that you need for your particular spreader. We're using the Broadcast Rotary Spreader, and we need to set our dial at 4 1/4.
Triple Action South can be used in the early spring and fall, but not more than twice a year. But here in Florida, due to our environmental mandates, these should only be used once a year. Make sure to check with your local authorities to see what your regulations are for your state. Triple Action South can be used on a variety of grasses from St. Augustine, carpet grass, centipede, and zoya grass. Triple Action South kills common weeds such as dollarweed, clover, oxalis, plantain, chickweed, and henbit. Be sure to check out Scott's website for the full list. Hold off planting sprigs or sod for 1 month, or wait to sow new grass seed for 6 months following application of Triple Action South. Also, do not apply to newly seeded centipede or carpet grass lawn until the new grass has been mowed at least twice. Keep the kids and dogs out of the treated areas, but once the lawn is nice and dry, feel free to let the kids and dogs run and play. Now that the Triple Action South is applied, Mom is just going to water this right in. Alright, so now the Triple Action South is applied, so in 8 weeks we'll be applying the Ultra Feed to the yard for quick greening and extended feeding for a green lawn all season long.
And because Florida regulates nitrogen, we'll only be using this product 1 time this year. And when we do that, we're going to be using the regular feed rate in our spreader.
And just like the Triple Action South, you want to keep the kids and dogs off the yard until it's nice and dry.
We want to thank the Home Depot and Scott's for sponsoring today's video.
And we want to invite you to become your own neighborhood pioneers with just these 2 bags.
Thanks for joining us.
Bye. Bye.